Hi everyone, this is Miss Jashan, an English teacher at YS Group. Today, we'll continue with the journey of letter O. We have already done step 1, reco of letter O, step 2, phonic sound of letter O. Today, we'll learn step 3, that is storytelling, where we will learn so many objects related to letter O. Let's begin with step 3, story of letter O. In my story, I'll introduce the objects related to letter O. So, let's begin with the story. One day, there was an octopus. One day, there was an octopus, and it was the day of his birthday. And he has to invite his all friends. You know whom he has invited in his birthday? Firstly, he has invited his first friend, that is Ostrich. Ostrich came on his birthday, and later on one more friend came, and that friend was One more friend was an owl. Now, owl, ostrich and octopus started enjoying the birthday party. One more friend has to come, but that friend of octopus is very dangerous. Now, the last friend of octopus has joined his party, that is an ox. Very scary. Octopus is very small and his friend is very big. I don't know how they became best friends. Now at the end, octopus, ox, owl and ostrich has enjoyed the birthday party. But 3 of the friends were asking to octopus, "What will you give us in the treat of your birthday party?" Octopus was thinking, "Oh, what should I give them? Because my mother has told me I have to give a healthy treat to everyone. So, what can be the healthy? I think orange will be the healthy for you all. Let's have an orange party." Then their 4 best friends have started an orange party and enjoyed the yummy orange. Now it's too dark and it is the time of their sleeping. But before sleeping, they have a habit to listen a song. Let's see what song they listen before sleeping.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Have you noticed? We have learned so many objects related to letter O. O ox, O ostrich, O octopus, O owl, O orange. Hope you all have enjoyed my story. Thank you everyone.